Hi guys, welcome to channel. After update, keyboard is not working. So how to fix this issue? So first method, click to start and type services. Services. Right click to run as administrator. Press H. Find out Human Interface Device Service. Human Interface Device Service. Okay, just double click. Manual. Select the auto and then start. Apply. Okay. Then again click to restart it. Then close. Next method, perform a clear boot. Okay, so click to start and type msconfig. Okay, this one. Then click to services, hidden all Microsoft, and okay, this is already disabled. Okay, select hidden all Microsoft service and click to disable all. This is not required. Okay, you can see, and then okay and apply. So next, update keyboard drivers. So right click and go to device manager and find out keyboard. Right click and update. Close it. And one more thing, guys, you can use manual keyboard also. Okay, like keyboard, on screen keyboard. Okay, and next, guys, you can connect keyboard with a different USB port, your front side and back side, front panel. Okay, then check update, click to start and go to setting, click to Windows update and check Windows update. Okay, then download and install it. Then next method. Hi guys, created a restore point or automatically created a restore point. How to restore? So click to start and type restore, create restore point, create restore point. To click, you can type point, otherwise you create restore. So what is, then click to system restore, then next select this date, and you can check here to show all auto and manual. This is type. Okay, then next and finish, and this is asking for the restart, and then click it. So this is SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, then last.